PROMETHEUS Series IV. Planetary CME mitigation via Bessel-Phased Schumann. Injection. Filing package, figures and disclosure. Inventor, Chris Monk-Selly. Date, the 9th of June 2026. Executive summary. Series 4 extends UESPP Series I-III into active planetary defense. Using the global Bohr wall emitter network as a phased Schumann cavity driver, the system injects 8 to 12 terawatts of coherent electromagnetic power at 7.83 Hz, 14.3 Hz, and 20.8 Hz, shaped by a Bessel J0 step-down envelope. To smooth Carrington-class coronal mass ejection impacts by 1 to 2 orders of magnitude under Zharkova Grand Solar Minimum baseline conditions. Power budget summary. Parameter value. Carrington DST-1760 NT. dB, DT peak 650 NT, H. Total storm energy 2.1 times 10 to the 17 J. Required backfeed 7.7 TW. Required backfeed 8 to 12 terawatts peak. Total injected energy 1.4-1.7 times 10 to the 17 J. Emitter sites 24,000 at 0.5 gigawatts. Figure 1 Bohr wall stator coil cross-section, 30 mm. Pitch. Detail of Series 1 coil architecture scaled to planetary Bohr. 3-phase ABC windings at 30 mm pitch. Embedded in thermally conductive epoxy, with integral cooling channels. Magnetic flux lines couple to Earth ionosphere waveguide. Figure 2 new cell to inverter power interface. SR90 resonant beta voltaic new cell feeds DC bus through LCR tank. Resonant inverter is phase locked to 7.83 Hz Schumann fundamental. Control loop receives Bessel J0 reference from central controller. Figure 3 Bessel J0 generator timing diagram. Top trace. J0 times express envelope triggered by L1 CME detection. Lower traces. Carriers at 7.83, 14.3, and 20.8 Hz amplitude modulated by Bessel envelope to spread impulse energy over 40+ hours. Figure 4 Global 12 terawatts site distribution with geological overlay. 24,000 emitter sites sited on tectonic boundaries and stable cratons. High latitude rings at 60 degrees north, S. Maximize auroral electrojet coupling. Heat map intensity indicates power density. Figure 5 to 3D cutaway of emitter shaft. Layer stack from outside in, bedrock, concrete Bohr wall, thermal insulation, cooling jacket. Epoxy encapsulated magnetic coils, vacuum layer, central hollow core. Dual use for transport, vacuum, maglev, and defense. Representative claims. 1. A planetary electromagnetic stabilization system comprising a globally distributed network of Bohr wall electromagnetic stators configured to inject energy into the Earth ionosphere waveguide. 2. The system of Claim 1 wherein the injected waveform comprises a zero-order Bessel function envelope. 3. The system of Claim 2 wherein carrier frequencies correspond to Schumann resonances at approximately 7.83 Hz, 14.3 Hz, and 20.8 Hz. 4. A method for mitigating geomagnetic storm dB/dt by increasing magnetospheric ring current decay. Time constant via coherent electromagnetic pumping. 5. The method of Claim 4 wherein pumping power is between 8 and 12 terawatts. 6. The system of Claim 1 powered by resonant beta voltaic nuclear cells frequency locked to Schumann. Modes. 7. A control algorithm compensating for grand solar minimum interplanetary magnetic field reduction to approximately 4 NT. 8. Use of cylindrical wave pipe stators as dual-mode propulsion and planetary defense emitters. 9. A Bessel-Phased global array capable of reducing Carrington-class DST rate by at least one order of magnitude. 10. Integration with prior UESPP, ADETM, and PSOE architectures as a unified platform.